how to remove a credit or debit card from Dunkin Donuts. To remove a credit or debit card from Dunkin Donuts, first of all, you launch the Dunkin Donuts application on your device, right? So just go ahead and then make sure that you have downloaded the app, and then you have to go ahead and then make sure to log into Dunkin Donuts app. Otherwise, what you can also do is you could simply open up your browser. Then you can simply type in Dunkin Donuts over here. Then you go to their Dunkin Donuts website.com over there, and then you make sure to log into your account. After you log in, right, you just have to go to the manage profile section. So that could be on the top left of the screen after you sign in, and go to the manage profile section. From there, select payment method, and from there you can either edit or delete the card. And if you encounter issues, Dunkin customer service can also assist you in that case. And that's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.